Hello and blessings, beautiful souls. Saravá Axé to you. My name is Avalon Cameron and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Earthly Alchemy's Witch's Chest. And so if you are not familiar with who Earthly Alchemy is, then you are in for a great surprise because they are an Australian-based business that dedicates themselves fully to the witches of Australia and also international witches as well. And so I have their monthly subscription box and I'm a bit confused right now because this is their monthly subscription box. This is it. But this box is much bigger than their standard box, so I'm not quite sure what goes on in here, if they've upgraded their box or not. Let's find out. So I'm gonna go at this with my trusty set of scissors. Really do need a knife. Aspirations, folks, aspirations. It's hard work. It's super hard work. Holy doolies, that was hard work. It was snug as a bug in a rug there. So nice and tidy, and looky what we have here. It is indeed the Witch's Chest. Yay! Now, this is much bigger than their standard box, and so I'm dying to see what's inside. You are going to be hearing some little clicky creaky sounds in the background because my fire is on. It's winter here and it's cold, and so the fire is doing its thing, so you'll hear a crackle here and there. So don't mind that. That is exactly what that is. So let's get into it. We have here a little message. I was going to say little letter and message, little message, whatever. Hi Avalon, sorry about last month's missing spell. I have included it for you in this one. Please enjoy this month's magic. Yay! Look at that beautiful paper. Are you a lover of paper? Like I'm a stationery lover at heart. I love me the journals. I love some beautiful pens, some fountain pens, some inks and things of that nature. And I love some lovely paper. And this is lovely paper. I really like it. Just things to think about. Just things to comment about. Do you like stationery? Are you a bit of a stationery hoarder? Are you at heart? Do you love pens and journals and all that yummy stuff? You're in good company if you do. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what is in this box. Hopefully nothing falls out. Please don't fall out. Yay! There we have it. And the theme of this month's box is Keepers of Knowledge Witch's Chest number 32. Now, typically I go through the items in the chest, but this month I've decided to go through that inventory last and to get into that mojo at the end of the video as opposed to at the start. So let's get into it. Oh, already, I don't know what this is. Feels like a crystal. It is a lovely clear quartz point. It's got a bit of a bridge there. It's a cross. This is an interesting piece actually. How exciting. Like look at that. It's got a little cross to it. It's got a little cross formation right there. Wicked. So we have a crystal. Off to a solid start. Off to a solid start. Then we have this one here. Oh, everything feels cold. Everything feels cold. This is plaster. I can smell it. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this green man. Look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, he's gorgeous. He's gorgeous. Selfie with the green man. I'm excited. Oh, yay. This is really sort of like the time too, like the Holly King. Well, that would be the Oak King there, I believe. So, oh my God, Elder. Oh, it's Elderflower. It's Elderflower. Protection, cleansing, and healing. Look at how he has presented his beautiful herbs. I forgot what I was going to say then. Look at that, in nice little glass jars. It's half the work done for you folks, because I don't know if you've noticed, I have like apothecary jars in the background and like all in the back, like there's lots of them. I did the labels out myself. It was time consuming. It was time consuming. So this is a nice touch. This is a really nice touch. And a healthy portion. Oh, it's yummy. Not to mention the fact that it's absolutely less waste in the world when herbs come in these types of jars. Alrighty. Oh, we have a roll-on Liquid Wisdom, Ritual Body Oil. Liquid Wisdom, he says. Oh, it's so crisp. It actually smells a bit like medicine, like Vicks. It's got a little Vicksy smell to it. You know, Vicks Vapor Rub. But this is it right here. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? And you can see through the label there that there is some serious herb in there. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I love the look of it. I love the look of it. We have got some chips of what I would assume to be like adventuring maybe. So little chips in a bag there. He gave us, last time he gave us Tourmaline. And this is just lovely. Great to add to little charm bags, mojos, to press into crystals. You can do stuff with this. You can do stuff. We have a book. We have a book. And my beautiful, oh my gosh. This came off the front of the book. I think it came off the front of something. There's glue in the background there. There is glue. So I think this must have come like this. Maybe it was like that. I appreciate the sentiment. But we have, look at this. Oh, yes. Just yes. What a great little idea. And we've got two artists. Okay, the great god. Okay, so we've got these two artist cards here. And on the background, you get the personal notes. And when Eldar sends out his witch's chests, he always puts his artist cards in these types of sort of single plastic folder sleeves. I forget what they're called. I did go to school and I did use these at school, but I forget what they're called now. This one is about the elderberry, which we have here, present, I should say, and this one is about Pan. So, very beautiful, and they would go nicely in there. So a great little place to keep your witch's chest wisdom. I'm gonna put mine in there right now. I'm digging it. Look at that. And then open it up, and I have my witch's chest things. I'll put my other witch's chest items in here as well. And I'm just excited. What a great little addition. This would be so fun to put some recipes and some, you know, some of these beautiful journal cards and, oh, well, they're not journal cards, they're artist cards there. Well, they are journal cards if you wish to put them in your journals, in your magical journals. I'm bummed that this little motif came off. Here we go. I do believe it did something, it went something like this. I think, I'm not sure. Unless it was on something else entirely, I can't imagine what that would be. That's a bit too, yeah. All right, and that is the full content of this witch's chest. So now that we have gone into this full content of the witch's chest, let's have a look. Let's have a look at what it says. Keepers of Knowledge, Witch's Chest, number 32. Keepers of Knowledge. As you have received this month's parcel, you may have noticed some changes. We have upgraded our boxes to bring you bigger and more creations throughout the year. This month's parcel contains a mix of items which can be used to create your own record keeping. As witches, we must remember to keep our knowledge and workings in a safe tomb, allowing you to access them at any time. Throughout history, we find various books, tomes, and ancient texts which contain wisdom, knowledge, and special rituals. This month, I encourage you to create your own path and journey. Document everything down and connect with your own magic. Become your own keeper of knowledge. Explore the items within and become creative with your practice. Each item has been handcrafted and selected for you to work with you in rituals and daily practice. Many blessings, Crow and Lotus Moon. So we have a Book of Shadows handcrafted binder, Green Man altar plaque handcrafted, Liquid Wisdom ritual oil, Bloodstone crystal chips. Oh, it's bloodstone. Nice. Himalayan Quartz Record Keeper Stone, amazing. Elderflowers, Elder Book of Shadows artwork, and the God Book of Shadows artwork. What a beautiful, beautiful witchy box. I'm particularly taken by the Green Man plaque. Super lovely, and I'm loving the elderflower in the jar. I really want to be able to use this. It smells so good. It does, it smells so good. Well, there you have it, beautiful souls. I'll be leaving the link to the Witch's Chest in the description box below, and also how lovely that Earthly Alchemy have upgraded the size of their boxes. They were quite small to begin with, but they still packed a punch, and now they've gone quite a bit bigger, so I am going to be very excited to see what they come up with to fill their boxes with. Is that the right way of saying it? I just want to see what they bring forth. With all of this like real estate inside a box, destined for greatness is what I think it is. So there you have it, beautiful souls. That was the Earthly Alchemy's Witch's Chest by Crow and Lotus Moon. They are an Australian-based business based in Melbourne, to be specific, and they are absolute and utter treasures of human beings. I have the opportunity to be internet friends with the creator of this box, and I do absolutely love and respect him as a practitioner and adore what he does. If you are a Melbourne-based witch and mystical practitioner, then you will find them at several of the markets. But you can go on to Facebook and find Earthly Alchemy, and they oftentimes list where they will be hosting their markets, in which case you can go and meet them in person. And I would love to do that one day, so I do have plans to get up to Melbourne from my little home here in southern Tasmania and just mix and mingle with some of my favourite Melbourne witches. Yay! There you have it, beautiful souls. I'll be speaking to you in the next video, probably another unboxing to be perfectly honest, and then we are going to get straight back into our beginners witchcraft series. I'm very excited, and thank you for all the wonderful feedback about that series. I've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of feedback, and it's been so nice to read it all and to comment and to interact with you. So thank you, and I will be back soon. Mwah!